this is tilt sensor. Its right pin is the data pin and it's connect digital pin 2 of the Arduino, and middle pin is the power pin and it connect to 5-volt pin of the Arduino, and the left pin is the ground pin and it connect to ground pin of the Arduino. And this is buzzer. Its left pin is the ground pin that we will connect to ground pin of the Arduino, and the middle pin is the power pin. No need to give any power to this buzzer. And the right pin is the data pin. It we will connect to pin digital pin 8 of the Arduino.